My name is Lauren Egan and I'm the owner of Egan Immigration. Today I'm going to do just a quick video about what you should wear to your immigration court hearing or an interview with an immigration officer at USCIS or another immigration agency. Now, I just recorded a whole video on this topic and then I decided to delete it because I realized that I wasn't telling you guys what to wear, I was telling you what not to wear. So I'm going to start by telling you what not to wear, but then I'll follow up with specific examples or ideas of what I think would be appropriate. So first, what you should not wear are clothes that are too revealing or that are in bad condition. So by too revealing, I mean things that show too much arm, shoulders. Usually I don't recommend full tank tops. You don't want to show a lot of your chest area, a lot of leg, so keep it clothed. And then as far as quality of your clothes, you don't need to have expensive clothes or brand new clothes, but you just want clothes that aren't ripped, that aren't very wrinkled or stained. You want to look put together. So what I recommend usually for a man, for example, normally I recommend slacks and either a button-up shirt or a sweater, or if it's a very warm temperature, a polo shirt. And then closed-toed shoes. You don't have to follow those exact guidelines. If you don't have slacks, for example, you just have jeans, wear your nicest pair of jeans, the ones with no rips, no stains, that just look nice. And just make sure that what you choose looks presentable. And then for women, what I usually suggest is something similar. You can wear slacks and a button-up or a sweater. You can wear kind of a knee length or lower thigh length, just above the knee length skirt, and a blouse or a dress with maybe a little cardigan over it, something along those lines. And again, I usually recommend closed-toed shoes. I know in some areas, for example, I used to be a lawyer in San Diego, which is very casual and very warm. A lot of women would wear open-toed heels, and that's okay. I still kind of recommend the closed-toed, but you should be fine if you don't have that. The basic idea that I want to get across is just to make yourself look nice. Think about maybe going to church. What would you feel comfortable in at church, assuming it's a nice, a respectable church? Or what would you wear if you were going to meet a new girlfriend or a new boyfriend's parents? Something like that. So I hope that helps. This is just a short, quick little video to answer a question that people, believe it or not, ask me all the time in my practice. So I hope it helped, and go ahead and subscribe to us on YouTube to get more videos about immigration. And if you have any specific questions about your case, you can contact me at my law firm to set up a consultation. Thank you and have a wonderful day. I will see you next time.